Hey there, health enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're diving into the world of intermittent fasting, a popular and effective eating pattern for improving health and promoting weight loss. If you're new to intermittent fasting or looking to gain a deeper understanding of its benefits, you've come to the right place. So, make sure to stay tuned until the end because we have some crucial tips that will set you up for success. But before we get started, if you haven't already, please hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more informative content like this. Now, let's jump right in. Intermittent fasting is more than just a diet, it's an eating pattern that focuses on when you eat rather than what you eat. By incorporating regular periods of fasting into your routine, you can reap a multitude of health benefits. Here are some of the most important tips to help you get started on your intermittent fasting journey. Understand the different fasting methods. There are various intermittent fasting methods to choose from, so it's important to find one that suits your lifestyle and goals. Some popular methods include the 16/8 method, where you fast for 16 hours and have an 8-hour eating window, or the 5-2 method, where you eat normally for 5 days and restrict your calorie intake on the other 2 days. Research different methods and experiment to find the one that works best for you. Start slow and gradually increase fasting duration. If you're new to intermittent fasting, it's recommended to start with shorter fasting periods and gradually increase the duration over time. This approach allows your body to adapt and makes the transition more manageable. Begin with a 12-hour fast, which can be as simple as not eating anything after dinner and then gradually extend it to 14, 16, or even 18 hours, based on your comfort level. Listen to your body and adjust accordingly. Stay hydrated during the fasting period. It's essential to stay hydrated during your fasting window. While you're not consuming food, you can still drink water, herbal tea, and black coffee, as these beverages don't contain calories and won't break your fast. Staying hydrated not only supports overall well-being but also aids in controlling cravings and maintaining energy levels throughout the day. Prioritize nutrient-dense meals during eating windows. When it comes to your eating windows, focus on consuming nutrient-dense, whole foods. Intermittent fasting is not an excuse to indulge in unhealthy, processed foods during your eating window. Instead, prioritize lean proteins, such as chicken, fish, tofu, or legumes, as they provide essential amino acids for muscle repair and growth. Include plenty of fruits and vegetables for their vitamins, minerals, and fiber content. Whole grains, such as quinoa, brown rice, and oats, are excellent sources of complex carbohydrates. Don't forget to incorporate healthy fats, like avocados, nuts, and olive oil, which provide satiety and support brain health. Listen to your body and adjust fasting schedule. Intermittent fasting is not a one-size-fits-all approach. Pay attention to how your body responds and adjust your fasting schedule accordingly. Some individuals may find certain fasting methods more challenging, while others may thrive with a different approach. For example, if you're experiencing excessive hunger or low energy levels during your fasting window, consider adjusting the duration or changing your fasting method. It's important to find what works best for you and aligns with your lifestyle and goals. Be mindful of nutrient timing and quality. While intermittent fasting focuses on when you eat, it's still essential to pay attention to nutrient timing and quality. If you're engaging in regular exercise, consider scheduling your workouts during your eating window to optimize performance and recovery. Fuel your body with a combination of carbohydrates and protein before and after exercise to support muscle growth and repair. Additionally, prioritize nutrient-dense foods and maintain a balanced diet to ensure you're meeting your nutritional needs during your eating windows. Practice patience and consistency. Intermittent fasting is a long-term lifestyle change rather than a quick-fix solution. Results may take time, so it's crucial to practice patience and remain consistent with your fasting routine. Embrace intermittent fasting as part of your overall health journey, and trust the process. Over time, you'll begin to experience the numerous benefits it has to offer, including weight loss, improved insulin sensitivity, increased energy levels, and enhanced mental clarity. Now that you have a solid foundation of intermittent fasting knowledge, it's time to put it into action. Remember, intermittent fasting is not suitable for everyone, so it's important to consult with a healthcare professional before making any significant changes to your eating habits, especially if you have underlying health conditions or are on medication. Congratulations! You've reached the end of our video on intermittent fasting for beginners. We hope these tips have given you a clear understanding of how to embark on your intermittent fasting journey successfully. If you found this information valuable, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness content. Hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thank you for being a part of our community, and remember, your health is your wealth. As always, if you have any questions or would like to share your experiences with intermittent fasting, please leave a comment below. We love hearing from our viewers. Thank you for watching, stay motivated, stay dedicated to your health goals, and we'll see you in the next video.